Vehicle compatibility. Headlights assembly compatible with 2005 to 2007 Ford F250 F350 F450 F550 Super Duty, 2005 Ford Excursion US models only. Not fit with sealed beam headlight model. High, low beam. H13. Bulbs are not included. Waterproof. Fully sealed with solid silicone designed with one-way vents to prevent moisture from being trapped inside the housing. No corrosion or moisture worries in sorts of weather conditions. Brighter lighting. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide more light output to create a broader and smoother beam. Safety reflector. The sided micro-prism reflector makes the oncoming cars or passerby quickly notice you at night, ensuring your driving safety and others. Impact resistance. The polycarbonate lens tough housing are highly resistant to shock, vibration for any tough road. Professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great and durable. Arrived within a week, easy to install and looks better than the OEM part. Brightness is about the same. Completely satisfied.